I'm Danny Hovelsrud, and I have looked after my MRO Americas aerospace clients in the maintenance, repair, and overhaul sector here at Trade Group for the last 7 years. With over 700 exhibitors from all types of aviation industries, this event showcased the latest trends, products, and technologies. It's a can't miss in this industry. Last year, there were 13 different aircraft that you could see up close inside the hall. This is a trade show where you can walk around and learn about aviation maintenance. In our 350,000 square foot headquarters based near Dallas, Texas, we provide full service consultations, design, engineering, and fabrication of fully custom projects of any size. Whether you're looking for a modest pop-up or fully custom island exhibit, we have the ability to create unique exhibits with our award-winning team of artists and can help with digital delivery, large format graphics, and creative design as well. To find out more about the Trade Group or how we can take your MRO booth to the next level, feel free to give us a call. Thank you.